Please introduce yourself with your name, your major, the year, and your nationality.
My name is Mohammed Al Suwayi. I'm from Saudi Arabia. I'm a computer engineering student, and actually, right now, I'm a junior student.
Could you tell us why did you decide to come and study in the U.S.?
I came to the United States to study because they have better colleges and schools, especially for engineering. That's why I chose the United States.
Why did you choose Purdue University Calumet?
I chose Purdue University Calumet because it's known for its good engineering departments among the states. That's why I chose it.
What is your most memorable experience while studying at Purdue?
My most memorable experience while studying at Purdue, when I first came here, I started living in the dorms, and I wasn't expected it to be like that. My expectation was much worse than my experience, and it was really interesting how to get involved and make more friends in the dorms and school.
What do you plan to do after you graduate from Purdue Calumet?
I'm planning either to get a job or to pursue my studies and get a graduate degree in computer engineering.
How did you adjust to the American culture, the American custom, and the American food?
Actually, the American culture is very different than my culture, which is from the Middle East. I try to adjust by learning so many stuff and reading about it before I come here. I watched a lot of videos on YouTube, for example, in my culture, if you see someone in the hallway, you say hi and stop and handshake them. But here, for American cultures, you just say hi and pass by. You don't wait for a response. So this is one of the most things that shocked me when I came here, but I adjusted myself to it.
What does your day look like as a Purdue University Calumet student? Can you talk a little bit about your daily routine?
For right now, actually, I'm as an engineering student. You'll be super busy doing your homework and studying for the exams because most of the time you won't have any much free time that you can spend on doing things other than studying. For me, I go to school, then I go back home, sleep. If I have free time, uh, either I'll study or go to the gym. Then the next day it's the same thing. Over the weekend, I spend most of the time studying, or going to the gym, or meet up friends, and hang out in Chicago.
What is your opinion about Purdue University Calumet?
Purdue University Calumet is a pretty small campus. Uh, Actually, this is a good thing because the classes are small, so you can, mm, you have good relations with your professors. Like you can talk to them, and they're very friendly. If you have any questions, they can. You'll get a good communication experience with your professors in the classrooms. This is the most uh, great thing that I see in this campus.
What do you like the most about the campus?
Um, the most thing I like about the campus is my department labs because we do a lot of experiments, sorry, and you can see um, a visual interaction between the things that you study in theory in the class and the experiment. So I like the engineering labs.
Well, what do you think about the classes and the faculty members and your program and your department?
The faculty members are pretty much good. Every most of the students they say this teacher is good, this teacher is bad, but actually uh, most of them are the same level. They're good. They are well educated, and every teacher has different teaching style. So what do you need to do as a student? You need to adjust yourself how to adjust yourself with the way the teacher is given the lecture.
What are the most significant differences between going to school in the U.S. and going to school in your home country?
The most significant differences are like the language. When I go to school in my home country, we'll be studying in Arabic and everything is easier. But here you have to study in English, and also the classrooms are here like more interactive. Like back home, most of the lectures are just lecturing, but here you can interact with your professor and you can ask them so many questions. So uh, even if you have any specific concern, they will take your viewpoint of things in a serious way, and they can discuss you with it.
What is your advice for incoming potential students who are going to be applying to Purdue Calumet?
My advice, they have I'll give two advices. One of the first advice before they came here, they have to read about and watch videos about the American culture, especially for the international students, so they can adjust the idea, and it's gonna lower the culture shock when they came here. Uh, the second advice is when they came here, they have to be responsible for themselves. Don't rely on others and everything. If you don't know anything or you need help in something, just read about it, search the web for anything, and the help you seek. And if you didn't find any answer for that, you can ask for help later, because the American society is independency. So everybody doesn't depend on others for doing things. So you need to be independent, try to help yourself, and try to solve your problems by yourself. Then, if you can ask help for others, of course.
And final time, your name, your major, and your nationality.
I'm Mohammed Al Suwayi. My major is computer engineering. I'm a junior student, and I am from Saudi Arabia.
Thank you.